Oh, well, that was weak. Do it again. Nope. Try again.
Hey everyone, on this week's video, we go thrifting in Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda with special guest, my mom. So, let's see what we find.
All right.
Sale today.
Is this where we found the nativity set?
It is.
Oh my god, Mom. That freaking nativity set.
There's a whole area over there of.
Morning, babes.
Hello, good morning. Oh, they moved the cash register. Got a bunch of vinyl here.
That one had a snake side stain going on. Yeah, this white thing here. Yeah.
Cool. Those are the classics.
Yeah.
Cool.
$18 to spend.
Oh, nice. Those are your points.
Yeah, you can tell how much shit I buy, right?
Look, there's a 14 by 20 by 1. So
I wonder if this is for pickleball. Or
Yes, it's pickleball.
that's pickleball.
Because of the
this
balls.
will sell.
Yeah, put that in there.
Let me.
How much was that?
That's probably a lot.
Check it.
It's $6.99. But you
Not
can
bad.
sell these for like $30.
What color is it? Green? I don't
Yeah.
know if green's on it.
Probably not, but I think you could probably look up
The
this
paddle.
brand.
Yeah, we'll
And
check
they'll
it
be
out.
like $30 or $40.
Is that like actually vintage or it's made to look vintage?
I don't know. I can't find the year, but it's Disney store, so it has to be old. This I don't think is supposed to be on there.
Bingo, bango.
Keepsake. It's like a wizard.
Santa is a wizard.
It's a red tag. I'm so sorry. No, you're fine. Just one more.
What are you looking for?
Brands. Lucky brand. This is
Oh,
also
lucky you.
Lucky brand.
Anything
See
like
on the inside. They'll say it.
Yep.
You ready to pay or not yet?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think, yeah. We're ready.
Oh, well, that was weak. Do it again. Nope. Try again. Don't be scared of that thing.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. 2263. And
No, I'm gonna. This is yeah.
yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No.
No, but he puts it under my name.
Okay, so we're going to use your number.
Yeah,
Right.
I'm giving her points, yeah.
Right.
That's sweet of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Great day.
Kenny Rogers, Neil Diamond.
6%.
And then our ladies' tops along here are 50% off.
Okay.
Exclusive
Oh.
to the boutique. Okay?
Hey, Sam. In that,
Ooh, Christmas.
50%. Yeah, and outside where you said CDs.
My slip. I paid for it.
Okay, we're okay.
Oh, yeah, like. Wait, let me see if there's a.
Yeah, get it back.
Oh, there's one. What you looking at? Oh. Yeah. Oh, these would be like 30. Red, white, and blue. Those con artists. Come on, it's like the typical emo rocker boat. Shit, I think my sister even. Oh,
$4.
nice.
It's champions.
Let me see. What size is it? It looks like a large.
Extra large, even better. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me get another card.
Hmm? You got an idea?
Nope.
Dog carrier.
Yeah, I just donated mine.
Stop donating stuff. Okay. Do what Brittany's parents do. Put it in a bin, and the next time we see you, we'll take the bin.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you would sell that stuff.
We sold one of Brittany's friends. He gave us one. It wasn't like that. But it was just like an all
Mine was just
dog
like
carrier.
this.
Oh yeah, that sold really well.
Yeah.
It was for when he traveled,
Yeah.
like on the airplane.
Yeah. And people get it because that, especially one like that is collapsible.
Yeah.
It's still auxiliary, but
What's that?
$5. It's an armor vacuum.
Carvac?
Yeah.
Yeah.
$12.
It's $5.
$5, right?
It's not bad.
Want to put it in here?
Yeah.
You can look it up. Other way, please.
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's cool.
Yeah.
$1 each, and they're still 50% off. So a buck.
I'm just telling you, they were back in your area shopping.
Oh, yeah, for Ricky.
Oh, nice.
Because now when he starts, I mean, this is, let me see. Oh, Ricky. See if it matches, which I think it does.
Pardon me? We do have papers.
Yeah. And he's going to put the logo on.
Oh.
This has a
So,
Okay.
tag on it right there.
$4?
So purple is like $2
Brittany
a
wants to
month, I think. Yep.
show you
Yep,
a
$2
Starbucks cup that we just found.
Oh,
And then
gosh, and I
it's
was
blue.
looking in.
Okay.
I didn't see it.
Active work, so that'll be
Where did she find it?
75% off, so that we put it on.
We're over there by the books.
Okay.
Oh, okay, no wonder I'm blind.
Yeah.
You have to
You gotta
look at
squint.
all of them.
Yeah.
I mean, it's two. I can't really find one that's sold, but like, look at the ones that are listed.
I'm gonna put it in your bag.
Yeah. So I think.
50% off.
Oh, that looks cool. Is that poker?
No, it's a craft staple.
Oh, cool.
That's really cool. How much is that?
7, which is probably,
No, I think it's still 7. Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the books and all that were also.
I don't think so. That's cool.
Grab it. Unless you want to look it up really quick.
Yeah, let me look it up really quick now. Because this is gonna take.
You're gonna need to open that up. Let's take a photo of it. Here, I'll help you.
Okay, your total is $33.17. How are you paying?
Cart. The little old ladies. They just start elbowing you out of the way. That's fine.
No, because I went and I asked, is the fan 50% off? She says, is that home goods? It's not. It's a fan. And I'm like,
Damn.
I know. And I'm looking at her and I go, oh, okay, thank you.
Oh shit.
Wow.
I was gonna just go to the non-Halloween stuff. Because that's probably
This one is not here.
Oh, let me see. Let's go this way then.
Look.
All right, chat. Say something if you see something.
You should make a Twitch channel and get famous off of this shit. No one does this on Twitch. No one. Think about it. Untapped market. Teaching people how to make money.
Cool. Yeah. Toss it in there.
50% off blue tag. I'm gonna put this.
That's cool.
That's for us.
$0.99.
I don't know what it is.
It says they glow in the dark. I don't know. Anything 99 cents is at least. Holy crap, look at all those bicycle helmets.
When? For new.
How much?
Don't know.
$4.99.
Another thing.
Oh, these are the little Disney ones. These are all the Disney ones.
They're 5 each, but I could knock them off. I don't know if they're worth anything.
Those might be better as like a lot, but yeah.
I wish. But you guys have dog parks over here, right?
No.
We barely come to the dog. The ones by us suck. Only at the bins.
Didn't you guys?
It's at the red, white, and blue American Thrift store.
No,
That was
no.
the American Thrift store. We never went to the Goodwill.
Yeah.
Oh, also when they ask you, give my phone number.
Okay. You go first so you could use your credit. And then
Oh,
this lady's got a credit everywhere. Thank you so much.
you're welcome. Have a wonderful weekend.
You as well, thank you. $30. So, thanks for watching, and here are a few of our top sales of the week. Let us know how we did.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And we hope to see you in the next one.